Welcome my friends, Seven Gray here. Thank you for joining me for this episode today. In the last episode I drove up to Douglas, Georgia, where I picked up my cargo trailer and met the folks from Renown Cargo Trailers, which are the sponsors of this video. And in this episode I'm continuing part 2, which is a tour of the factory, the manufacturing plant up there in Douglas, Georgia, which is used by Renown Cargo Trailer. This is rock solid cargo trailers, which is the actual factory, the company, the brand that Renown Cargo Trailers sells. This video is sponsored by Renown Cargo Trailers. I arrived at Renown Cargo Trailers and then went inside and I met the owner and the salesperson who sold me the trailer. And from there we drove our vehicles over 5 minutes away to the manufacturing plant where I got my trailer, and then shortly after that is when we actually went on the tour, which is what you're going to be seeing in this video. And we started out over in the welding shop.
Hey guys, so that was a tour of the weld shop. That's where it all goes down. That's where the very first part of the build happens at. And if you noticed, we've got a lot of guys working in there. We've got it set up to where we can build a lot of frames per day. And also you'll notice that was a very clean weld shop. If you've ever seen any other ones, I think we've got the cleanest weld shop in the industry. But now we're about to head over to the production line. You'll see where we do all the wiring, where the plywood goes on the walls, and then as it gets closer to final finish. If you look behind us real quick, that's where the paint booth is. So after it gets welded, we send it down to the paint booths. We've got 2 buildings down there where we paint our frames at, and then after the frame is painted, it's pulled around to the front of the assembly line, and that's where we start wiring it up and then putting the plywood on. Then it goes to roof scaffold, then it goes to final finish, and then it comes out and goes through quality control. So you guys are seeing from the ground up how we build our trailers here at Renown Cargo Trailers. So we're here at the assembly line. It's kind of quiet. Well, you do hear a saw in the background. But today we're actually, the employees are not running production due to a sheet metal issue in our industry, but we're about to get all that worked out. But right now we're standing in the wiring department. This is where all the trailers get wired up. And then next we start putting the plywood on the walls and on the floor. And then after that you go down to roof scaffold, and that's where your trailer gets the roof installed. And then last but not least is final finish, and that's where all of your lights get installed and everything like that, your bar locks. And then it goes to quality control, and once it gets checked off, we release it into our inventory, and that's the process, guys, here at the manufacturer. We have finally made it down here to final finish. Again, this is when your trailer gets all, you know, the people are cleaning it out, installing ladder racks. If you look at the top of this one's got ladder racks on it. This is where you put your bar locks on your doors, and they just assemble the last little pieces of your trailer before it goes to quality control. And some other items that they install on your trailer here is this is where you put your jack on. We install the jacks here, but this is all the little last minute details that we do to your trailer, your marker lights, etc. And then it heads to quality control, and then you guys can come pick it up once it clears. We are just excited about what's going on in this industry. The market is stronger than it's ever been. People are taking these trailers. When I first got in the business, basically you just had lawn care people, construction workers, and car haulers. Now people are doing everything from mobile pet grooming trailers to mobile concession trailers to conversions like Seven is doing with his trailer and turning it into living quarters. There is all kind of stuff. We've done mobile barber shops. We've done chiropractor trailers. We've done veterinary trailers. Now I'm working on a project where we're doing actually mobile dentist offices. So guys, if you can dream it, we can build it. Let that creativity flow and turn one of these cargo trailers into your next home or your next business. And we would love to be part of that dream of yours. That just be a small little part of it. It makes our blood boil, if you will. Like I said, we're very passionate about what we do, and we love meeting our customers. When I got in this business, it was never about a trailer. It was always about people. Somehow I've got a master's in evangelism and church planning, and God told me to sell trailers, so I'm just doing what I felt like I heard in my prayer life, and we just love dealing with people, guys. And we look forward to meeting you soon. So y'all can always give us a call at Renown Cargo Trailers at 188-287-3954. You can check out our website at www.renowncargotrailers.com. Also, our YouTube channel, check us out on Renown Cargo Trailers. Tons of information out there, informative information. And if you can't find the question that you may have, give us a call. I've got 10 sales reps that are standing by their phones and will answer any question that you have. I tell everybody I'm the dumbest one out my bunch, but God surrounded me with a bunch of champions that have been in this industry for years, and I feel like I've got the best team out there. And we look forward to serving all of your trailer needs, and can't wait to meet you soon. Until then, y'all be blessed.
And by the way, I'll be including all the contact information for Renown Cargo Trailer that he just mentioned down below in the description area, so you can just view that.
We are here in our auctions department. Some of you guys, in case you don't want to jump into a full project like Seven is doing, we can also do the conversions for you. I know some people don't have the time to do it, and for me, I would actually have to pay somebody to do it. I'm so busy. So if you need us to convert the trailer for you, we're about to show you an 8.5 by 30, what we call a mobile toy hauler. It's got living quarters in it, full bathroom package, interior walls, floors are finished, shower. So if you want to follow me, we'll go check it out. We've got exterior LED floodlights up here on the side of the trailer. We've also got a 30 by 30 slider window. We've got a 25-foot powered awning. Those awnings are made by Nomadic and Lippert. They are the best awnings in the market. We don't cut corners at Renown Cargo Trailers. We want to give you the best product we can possibly build. And I tell people all the time, we might not be the cheapest, but we are the best. We build superior products at phenomenal prices. This trailer's got triple torsion axles on it. He actually spread his axles apart, but yep, those are torsion axles spread apart, 7,000 pound axles. On the exterior of the trailer, we've upgraded this trailer to an 040 metal. This is the thicker aluminum, again, so the metal will lay flat and look smooth. On this trailer, we've got some aluminum sidewall vents. So we'll enter through the trailer right here through the side door. This is an RV style door with an RV lock. We've got a step well to help you step into the side of the trailer. We covered this trailer with black 030 metal on the interior walls. We've got your rubber tread plate flooring on the floor. We've got a couple of sets of D-rings in here. This customer is actually going to use it to haul his toys around and camp on the weekends. So he'll be able to strap his side-by-side in and then pull his toy out, and then they will use this as their living quarters. We've also put beds in them before, Murphy beds. We can do all that, but this customer decided that he was going to put his own bedding in it. In the ceiling, we've got LED recessed flat panel lights. We've also got a 15,000 BTU Coleman air conditioner on it. And we've got plenty of receptacles in here for him to plug into. We've got, in his air conditioner, comes with a thermostat on the wall. This is the switch for his powered awning. You just simply hit the button, the awning pops out and folds back in with just the hit of a button. I like the powered awnings way better than I do the manual awnings. I've seen people at campgrounds fighting those manual awnings when the wind's blowing, and we just quit offering them. He's got some base cabinets right here with a countertop. He's got an L-shaped cabinet, so right here is an insulated generator box. His generator will, there's a door on the exterior of the trailer. He opens the door, it has a slide out tray, he puts his generator on it, and then it can slide back in here, and this is where he stores the generator. And also up here is some overhead cabinets. Again, more storage space for him to store stuff. If you'll walk in right here, this is where we've got a partition wall built with an access door, and this is where you enter the bathroom. So inside we've got a toilet, we've got a hand wash sink. This is where his freshwater tank is stored under here. His waste tank is actually up under the trailer with his dump valve on the side, just like on campers. And this is where he will take a shower. And then we've also got a powered fan up top as well, a 110 volt powered fan, roof vent. So this is the bathroom package, guys. And if you want to look up under here, this is where his water tank is, his hot water heater. All his plumbing's done under there. This is where your panel box is and your 12 volt battery that operates the awning. Again, guys, if you don't feel like converting your trailer over and you don't have time to do the customization part of it, that's what we love to do. That's our bread and butter. There's a lot of companies that are scared to do something like this, if you will. A lot of people just build cookie cutter trailers, but at Renown Cargo, this is what we love to do. We love converting trailers into toy haulers and all kind of different size trailers and different conversions, if you will. So y'all give us a call. We'd love to build your next toy hauler, and again, this is what we love to do. You're seeing it right live in action.
I hope you enjoyed this tour of Renown Cargo Trailers and Rock Solid Manufacturing to see how cargo trailers are built. I found it absolutely fantastic to see behind the scenes how these things are constructed, and particularly that all of the internal components were made out of that 1-inch tubular steel, like square-shaped tubular steel, and then the aluminum skin put on the outside. That gave me a really good insight into how the thing's constructed so that I can use this in my build as I move forward and work on installing windows and building out my enclosed cargo trailer as a tiny house. Thank you so much for watching this video. Savor the moment, and I hope to see you in a future video.